The unique Fat Boy, admired since day one, stands out with its bright chrome and bold finishes, and now it's better than ever with the new Milwaukee-Eight 117 custom V-twin engine. New paint options and a new tank medallion add a modern twist to the enduring design that defines the Fat Boy, with its wide wheels, muscular stance and classic Harley silhouette. World-class factory paint covers the classic 5-gallon tank and now features a bold new medallion designed to stand out no matter how far you go. 18-inch machined Lakester wheels, big tires and cut fenders create a powerful presence and imposing stance. The iconic Fat Boy headlight housing shines in bright polished chrome, accentuating the wide, muscular look of the front end. The 2025 Fat Boy is more fun than ever with its new, high-performance Milwaukee-Eight 117 custom V-twin engine, high-flow, 2x2 exhaust system and improved suspension. The Milwaukee-Eight 117 custom V-twin engine delivers the sound, feel and all the power you need for effortless highway driving or thrilling around-town performance. The revised monoshock suspension provides a tighter, more balanced ride that's more comfortable when driven aggressively. The 2x2 exhaust, a key feature of the Fat Boy design, has been updated for high-flow performance and a rich V-twin sound. The classic shape hides a host of modern technologies designed to add comfort and convenience, but never distract from the ride. The 5-inch display features a large, easy-to-read analog gauge positioned above the LCD screen. The hand controls improve ergonomics and provide quick access to new selectable riding modes, road, rain, sport, so you can fine-tune your ride like never before. The updated hand controls support newly integrated technology features like cruise control and riding modes and traction control. USB-C charging keeps your devices charged so you can go longer distances while navigating, listening to music and staying connected via your Bluetooth headset. Adjust the arm reach to maximize braking efficiency regardless of the rider's reach. Harley-Davidson's rider safety enhancements are all about giving you extra peace of mind when things get a little unpredictable. It's a suite of smart technologies that step in when things get a little unpredictable, helping the bike manage traction as you accelerate, brake, or slow down. With cornering rider safety enhancements, the bike even adjusts for cornering, keeping things smooth and steady without you having to think twice.